this is a way more serious than I expected. Forget about the regular gym. Today it's the pumpkin gym. Hi friends, it's Halloween and I'm going to try a real pumpkin workout in its honor. Let's see if this actually works. Let's go!
So the first thing I need is dumbbells. I take 2 sticks and secure a pumpkin on each end. It's going to look a bit funny, but hey, why not a creative fitness life hack?
Hopefully they won't roll away while I'm working out.
And now the barbell. For this I'll need a long stick and 2 big pumpkins. The main thing is to secure them really well, so I don't lose a pumpkin.
Oh, this is a way more serious than I expected. Alright, time to move on to the workout.
Starting with the dumbbells. The first exercise is regular bicep curls. Lifting the pumpkins to my shoulders, and I can already feel this is no joke.
Wow, this actually works.
Second exercise, overhead press, up and down, working the shoulders. Looks like pumpkins make a pretty good replacement for dumbbells. Third exercise, lateral raises. My shoulders are burning, but it looks hilarious.
They squeak like real gym machines. Time for the pumpkin barbell.
First exercise, classic squats. Not kidding, pumpkins are heavier than they look.
I was drinking pumpkin latte. They're doing this.
Second exercise, deadlifts. Same technique, except now the pumpkins are staring at you from the ground.
Now this is real Halloween workout.
Next up, Russian twist. Hold the pumpkin in front of you and touch the ground to the left and right.
Gym? Nope. I got a farm gym. Honestly, I thought this would be more of a joke, but it turned out to be a legit workout, and I actually got tired doing it. So feel free to try it out. It doesn't matter what you work out with. The main thing is having a will and a little imagination. Halloween isn't just about candy. Apparently, it's also about pumpkin sports. See you in the next videos. Bye!